Maschio Gaspardo started as a pioneer in the field of tillage solutions, offers a full range of products for every farmer needs. Our company provides solutions for tillage, green maintenance, seeding, planting, fertilization, crop protection, and haymaking. The demand for customized products and services is increasing. Our customers expect us to bring new products or innovations to the market faster without compromising on quality. To meet these challenges, we need to transform our business, improve collaboration among design, sourcing, production, and services, harmonize our IT landscape with a single platform, to manage the end-to-end process and ensure efficient product development and manufacturing from anywhere.
The 3DEXPERIENCE platform helps us to synchronize and align our processes from design and engineering to manufacturing company-wide and across borders. The ability to create a digital twin in the platform drastically reduces waste and costs. In addition, the modularization capabilities help us to develop and deliver our products faster to the market without compromising quality. The Dassault System business platform allows data sharing and a worldwide control of our product development processes. Another advantage that today is possible is the collaboration between people located in different areas. Feedback of engineers today is positive because they are able to share the experience and increase their competence. This gives us a huge advantage to further improve our competitiveness and technology leadership with products for sustainable farming in the future. A good example is Chrono, our all-new high-speed planter, which doubles the productivity, increase accuracy of seed delivery and spacing, while making the planting operation easier than ever.
With our expertise and innovative spirit, we develop new machines combining high precision and speed to help farmers increase their efficiency.